about personal and professional development, training, sharing his expertise with the next generation of students, professionals, and
the audience got a little bit smaller there, huh? Object artist, and I had art everywhere. I had appointed this triple wide trailer with art everywhere, made it a comfortable place for the 25-member team that I had assembled, and I took it all out. Wow, it felt good. Monday I went to a meeting, and one of the upper management guys tells me, "Hey man, what did you do? Why did you empty your office out?" I wanted him to feel the shock that I felt that day. As a purple squirrel. And I identified with that rareness because of this right here. I think that I've turned myself into a Renaissance man. I'm 68 years old. You ever see that commercial, Dos Equis beer, where the guy says, "Oh, that's the most interesting man in the world"? If you live 68 years, you better be interesting, or you lost it. To reinvent yourself. Looking for more yoga instructors, because yoga instructors can change the world one instructor at a time. Let's talk about today's job market. You are not planted. You are not rooted. Move to the areas where the jobs are. I mean, why would you stay in Bremerton, Washington? Top 30 countries with the highest and lowest unemployment rates. Notice Africa is bleeding red, but there's plenty of opportunity in the green countries, Cambodia, Qatar, Thailand, Belarus. More into it. So here's what would happen. One of the 5 brothers would come to me and Gino, we need a project engineer. Hurry, we need a project engineer. This job is missing. I go, okay, I got this kid. He's a junior at FIU. You want him? Can you breathe? Can you walk? Can you talk and chew gum at the same time? Okay, he's hired. No! Get to know the person. Figure out their financial instability. I remember working for this company that they had such a terrible cash flow problem that they would write the checks because they knew they had to pay the people, but then it would be baskets. So there's a basket here and a basket here. Oh, which one? And they would move them from one basket to the other basket to figure out who they could pay that month. And who the online kind of people, and you want to see that quickly. Is the new on time. On time is late, and late is unacceptable. I spent my 2 days here talking to everybody. Everybody I meet, I want to sit and get to know them. Give them deep amount of time. Not that person that's out there, you know, they're going caribou hunting and they get this big gun and they got to put on a parka and all the snow gear and they got to hunt that caribou for days and then they finally get them and they shoot them.
Long time ago.